Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. So this is Kushi and today we are going to start with class 4 DAV perimeter brain teasers. Okay, so we have already completed worksheet 1, 2 and 3. Now today we are going to start with brain teasers. Okay, so our question 1 is, which of the following does not belong to the group? So 4 pictures are there, okay, 4 diagrams are there and we have to tell which is not of the group. Okay, so in this we have learnt in our explanation video of our two types of figures. Okay, one is closed figures and second is open figures. Okay, so in these all four are what? Closed figures only. Okay, so in closed figures also we have learnt two types. One is which is made up of curve, line, segment both, and second one is which is only made up of line, segment. Okay, so in out of these four, let's see which is not of the group. So first one is a curve one. So this is in curve one. Second is also curve, line, segment both. So it also comes under the category of curve one only. Third one is a curve one, line segment is also there but curve is also there. So this will also come in curve category. Okay, so these three are curve figures, but the fourth one is made of only line segment. Okay, the fourth figure is made up of only line segment. So this one is out of the group. Okay, so in closed figures there are two types of figures. One is curve ones and second is only made up of line segments. So all these three are of curves one and the last one, this fourth one, is only made up of line segments. So this doesn't belong to this group. Okay, so we have completed with our question 1A part. Now let's come to B part. So now let's come to our B question. Okay, so our B question is, perimeter of the triangle is 15 centimeter. If length of one side is 4, the sum of other two sides will be. Okay, so a triangle is there. In that perimeter is given to us what? 15 centimeter. Okay, this is a triangle ABC. Perimeter is given to us 15. Okay, and length of one side. So one side is given what? One side is given to us as 4 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the rest side. So for example, this side is given to us. We have to find these two sides. Okay, so what is the formula of the triangle? Perimeter of triangle, how do we find? So perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. So perimeter is given, that is 15, is equals to sum of all sides. So one side is given 4 centimeter. So we'll write 4. Okay, now for the other two sides you can give any name. Okay, for example you can give B, you can give C if you have named the triangle BC. Okay, so I am giving here plus B plus C, or else you can give X, Y, Z, X, any name you can give for the other two sides. Okay, so 15 is equals to 4 plus B plus C. Okay, A side I have given, so B and C side. Now now this will 4 is in which number? 4 is going with plus. Yes, so 4 will come this side and become what? Minus. Okay, so 15 minus 4 is equal to, what is left here is 4 and plus is gone, then B plus C. Yes, so B plus C. Now 15 minus 4. So 15 minus 4 is what? 11. Okay, so 11 is equals to B plus C. So correct answer is, the other two sides will be what? 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter is which option? Our second option. Okay, so here I have taken B plus C, that means B and C side is what? 11 centimeter. Okay, these two sides are what? 11 centimeter. If you have written X, Y, that means that the other two sides are X and Y are 11 centimeter. Okay, you can name any way, you can name with any letter, or you can just keep 1, 2, 3 side also. Like for example, 1 plus 2 plus 3. That means first side you have written as 4 and second and third side you are finding. Okay, so you can write any letter representing the second and third side. Okay, so we have completed with our B question. Now let's come to our C part. So our C part is, Rahul covered a distance of 800 meter running around a square garden. So Rahul ran around a square garden. Okay, wait a second, the figure is of a square. So Rahul ran around a square garden. Okay, and the distance, that means the perimeter is what? 800 meter. Okay, he ran one time. running around a square garden once. Once means he ran one time. That means he had taken the round one time. Okay, that means he has covered how many rounds? One round. Okay, so he has taken one round. So the perimeter given to us is 800 meter. We have to find the side of the square. Okay, so perimeter is given 800. Side we have to find. So what is the formula? Formula is perimeter is equals to 4 into side. Perimeter is given to us as 800 is equals to 4 into. Side is not given, so side will remain side only. Okay. Now 4 is in multiplication, so here it will come and become what? Division. So 800 divided by 4 is equals to side. Okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 200. Okay. So 200 is equal to side we are getting. So therefore side is equals to 200. What is the unit given to us? Meter. Okay. So side is equals to 200 meter. So the correct option will be B part. Okay. Side is 200 meter. We have completed with our C question. Coming to our D question, that is, I need dash of ribbon to make a border around a rectangular picture of length 20 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. Okay, so a rectangular picture is there and length is what? 20 centimeter and breadth is what? 8 centimeter. Okay, and I need dash of ribbon. So we have to make a draw a ribbon, or we have to border this picture. So we need a ribbon. Okay, so we have to make the ribbon here. Okay, paste the ribbon here. So we need to find the perimeter first. Okay, so length given to us is 20 centimeter. Breadth given to us is 8 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is equals to 2 into length 20, breadth 8. Okay, so perimeter is equals to 2 into 20 plus 8, 28. So perimeter is 2 8s is 16, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 5, 56 centimeter. Okay, so if this is 8, this is also 8. Yes, if this is 20, then this is also 20. So we need to make the border. Now where we make the border? Around the in the border line, or we can say here only. Yes, so here we need to make the border. So for making the border, we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter is coming 56. That means 56 centimeter of ribbon we need to make the border. Okay, so I need 56 centimeter of ribbon to make a border around a rectangular picture of length 20 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. So our correct answer is option number B, that is 56 centimeter. Okay, so we have completed with our D question. So now coming to our E question, that is perimeter of the given figure is dash centimeter. So a figure is given, units are written, we have to find the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter will be what? Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Yes, sum of all sides. It means perimeter will be 4 plus 2 plus 3, 4 plus 2 plus 3, then 3 plus 1 plus 3. Yes, 3 plus 1 plus 3 centimeter. Okay. Now if you have noticed one thing, I haven't written this lines unit, that is 2 centimeter. Why? Because perimeter means sum of all the boundary lines, or perimeter means sum of the borders. Yes. But this is the inner one. Yes, this is not the border or the boundary line. So this unit we won't count in our perimeter. Okay, so our now perimeter will be what? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 1, that is 13, and 13 plus 3 is 16. So our correct answer is perimeter is equals to 16 centimeter. So our correct option is the third one, that is 16 centimeter. Okay, so we have completed with our question 1. Now let's come to question number 2. So coming to our question 2, that is find the perimeter of the following. Okay, so 4 figures are given to us and we have to find the perimeter. Okay, so our first figure, let's start with the first figure. So perimeter means sum of all sides. So perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Okay, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. That means what? Perimeter is equals to 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And the unit is centimeter. So our answer will be what? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 3, 17, 18, 19, plus 3, 20, 21, 22. So 22 centimeter is our answer. Coming to our B figure. So again, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Okay. So perimeter will be what? Starting from this one, 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus again 2 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and the unit centimeter. So perimeter is 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 18, 19, 20. So perimeter coming is 20 centimeter. Okay, so first 22, second 20. Now coming to our third one. So perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. So perimeter is equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, and centimeter. Now you must have seen one thing that I haven't added this 3. Why? Because perimeter means adding up all the boundaries or adding up all the borders. But this 3 is not the boundary or the border. Okay, this is the inner part, and inner part doesn't come under perimeter. Okay, so we'll not add up this 3. So our answer will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, plus 2 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to our D part. So perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. So perimeter is equals to 5 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2 plus 2. Then plus 5 plus 1. Okay. And centimeter. Okay. Here also I haven't added this 2 because it is the inner line. Okay. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 14 and 15. So our answer is 15 centimeter. Okay, so we have done all the 4 figures of our question number 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood question number 2 and we have completed question number 2. Okay. So now coming to our question number 3, that is Renu is having a rectangular field whose length is 7 meters and breadth is 4 meters. Find the perimeter. Okay, so a rectangular field is there in which length is 7 meters and breadth is 4 meters. Then we have to find the perimeter. So length given to us is what? 7 meters. Breadth given to us is 4 meters. Perimeter we have to find out. So it's very easy. A rectangular field, that means the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is equals to 2 into length 7 plus breadth 4. So perimeter is equals to 2 into 7 plus 4, that is 11. Okay, so 7 plus 4 will be 11. So perimeter is equals to 22 and the unit meter. So find the perimeter. So perimeter is 22 meter. Okay, so we have completed with our question number 3. So now coming to our 4th question, that is Mr. Kumar has a farmhouse. The shape of the boundary of the farmhouse is given below. So this is the shape of the boundary of the farmhouse. Okay, Mr. Kumar wants to fence his farmhouse with barbed wire. If the cost of fencing is rupees 25 per meter, find the amount Mr. Kumar has to spend on fencing. Okay, so this is a farmhouse. Here this length is 9 meter. Okay, I forgot to write this. So this is a farmhouse. First of all, we need to find the perimeter. Then per meter means 1 meter. The cost of fencing is 25 rupees. Okay. So the total meters we'll get in perimeter, we have to multiply that with this amount. So to get the total money he has to spend on his fencing. Okay. So let's start with the perimeter. So perimeter will be sum of all sides. Because this is not a square, rectangle or triangle where we can apply the formula. So we have to do it as in general form. So generally sum of all sides is perimeter. So 9 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, so perimeter will be 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 6. So 10, 6, 6 I have taken. So 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry, 22. 22 plus 5 will be 27. Then 27 plus 2, 29. 29 plus 9 is 9, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 38. And 38 plus 7 is what? 8 plus 7, 15. So we are getting what as 45. Okay, 45 meter. The perimeter is coming 45 meter. Okay. Now, 1 meter, the cost is how much? 1 meter cost is 25. Okay. So, 1 meter is the cost is 25. So, 45 meter, how much will be the cost? This I will explain you with an example. If 1 pen cost rupees 5. Okay, 1 pen is of rupees 5. If I want to say 2 pens, so 2 pens will be how much? 5 into 2. Yes, 5 into 2, that is 10. This is also called unitary method. Okay, so 1 pen is rupees 5. 2 pens will be what? 5 into 2, 10. Okay, the answer of the 1 pen multiplied with 2 pens. Okay, similarly 1 pen is rupees 5. 3 pens will be how much? 3 into 5, that is 15. Same way here. 1 meter is rupees 25. So 45 meter will be what? 25 into 45. Okay, so 25 into 45. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 2s are 10, 12. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8, 10. So we are getting what? 1125. Okay, so 1125 is the rupees. So therefore, rupees 1125 he has to spend on fencing. Okay, on fencing. That means 1125 rupees will be will be the amount he has to spend to make to barb the wire in this farmhouse. Okay, to fence this farmhouse he needs a total sum of money as 1125 rupees, 1125. Okay, so we have completed with our question number 4. Now let's move on to our next question. Now coming to our fifth question, that is find the perimeter of the given figure. So a figure is given to us, we have to find the perimeter. So it's very easy. Perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Okay, so perimeter is equals to 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1 centimeter. So perimeter is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17 plus 1, 18. So perimeter we are getting as 18 centimeter. Okay, we have completed with our fifth question. Now let's move on to our last question, that is question number 6. Now let's come to our question number 6, that is my mother has 90 centimeter lace with her. She wants to stitch this lace on the border of my square handkerchief. So a square handkerchief is there and she wants to stitch this lace into the square handkerchief. If the length of each side of my handkerchief is 20 centimeters, so length of the each side is 20 centimeter, find the length of the remaining lace. So our question is, a square handkerchief is there, one side of the handkerchief is 20 centimeter, all sides are also 20 centimeter also. Okay, now mother wants to stitch a lace. Now total lace she has is 90 centimeter. So first of all we need to find how much lace is required. Then we'll find out what is the remaining lace. That means from the total required lace, mother has 90 centimeters. So what is left? Okay, what is the remaining lace? So let's start. All these sides are what? 20 centimeter, because in a square all sides are equal. So now we'll start with the perimeter. That means perimeter is equals to 4 into side. Okay, so perimeter is equals to 4 into side is 20. Okay, so perimeter is what? 80 centimeters. So therefore total lace required is 80 centimeter. Okay, now remaining lace. So remaining lace we need to find now. So mother has how much? 90 centimeter minus 80, because we only need 80. Okay, so remaining lace will be 10 centimeter. 90 minus 80. So therefore remaining lace, wait a second, therefore remaining lace is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, this was the perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. So on boundaries only we put the lace. So lace will be required is 80 centimeter. Yes. Now mother has 90. So 90 minus 80 will be our. So we have completed with our perimeter brain teasers of class 4th. Okay, we have already completed with our worksheet 1, 2 and 3, and today we have completed with our brain teasers also. Okay, we have already done the explanation also of this chapter. In the starting we have started with the explanation, and explanation is divided into 2 parts. Okay, part 1 and part 2. So you can go and watch all the videos related to the chapter perimeter in my channel page. Okay, so we have completed today with that chapter perimeter. My next video will be on area. Okay, so do watch that too, do learn with that too. Okay, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do encourage me with your lovely comments, and bye.